Now shifting our focus to some national news coming in from Uttar Pradesh. Now 5 students have been booked under UP Religious Conversion Act over burqa row, and the police said that students booked are from a minority community and have been booked under UP's Anti-Conversion Act for allegedly trying to persuade a minor girl from another community to wear a burqa in Moradabad. And police added that the incident took place when they were returning home from their tuition center where they all studied. Now joining me on the telecast is my colleague Siddharth Pratap Singh. Siddharth, take us through the details that are coming in terms of this.
5 students from a minority community have been booked under UP Anti-Conversion Act of allegedly trying to pursue a minor girl from another community to wear a burqa in Moradabad. The police said that the incident took place when they were returning home for their tuition center where there are all students. Where they are all studied. The matter come to light after a purported video of the incident surfaced on social media. After a complaint by the minor girl brother, police registered case against the 5 students. Additional SP Akash Kumar said that the police had initiated and detailed investigation into the matter, and their entire incident was captured on CCTV camera inserted in the area. He said the family inquiry suggests that the victim of the girls named in the case were already acquainted with one another and attended the same coaching center. According to the initial findings, the incident took place while all the girls were returning home together after their coaching classes. Acting on a complaint lodged by the minor girl's brother, police have registered an FIR against the girls under section of Uttar Pradesh Prohibition of Unlawful Conversion of Religion Act. At the police station, concerned official said no arrest has been made, no paid so far in the connection with case. According to the police, the complaint stated the sister attends tuition classes in a nearby locality. The brother alleged that the group of girls pressured his minor sister to wear a burqa, raising serious concern over the incident. The complaint said urged to the authorities to look into the case. The police said that the identity of one of the accused girls who were named figures in the FIR has been confirmed, while efforts are underway to trace the established whereabouts of the remaining 4 girls mentioned in the complaint. Over to you, Ria.